I'm Suki. You're watching Suki Snack Shack, and y'all might not know it, but I know some pretty exclusive bakeries. Some real artisanal stuff, like, if you know, you know. And today we're bringing out Ileia's homemade baked goods. She's an A&V editor, that's my friend, and she gave me some of her leftover Christmas selection, and I'm sharing it with you. Oh yes, we've got the sweetest little holiday treats, if you could ever believe that such sweet treats exist. They smell amazing. They smell like yum, 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 yum. Ooh, ooh. And we have so many things we can start with. We've got cute cupcakes. We've got cute cookies. And then we've got nougat, which I've already tried. Okay. I think we're going to start small and work our way up. Okay, so first we've got this delicious, sweet, red and green candy cane, or not candy cane. It's fruit gum, licorice in white chocolate and marshmallow, and it's so good. It's so good. I've already tasted it. I'm enjoying it to share with you now, though. It's so good. There's your bite. Oh, you weren't fast enough. Now it's my bite. It's so good. But she also made cookies. She goes all out for the holidays. Like, I am genuinely super impressed. So we've got a delicious sugar cookie. Yum. Then we've got a cute little Christmas tree cookie. I don't know if she made the cookies. She might have. Either way, they're delicious. Yum. I didn't offer you a bite. And look what happened. That's karma. There you go. And last, but certainly not least, in the cook ventures, I don't have a phrase for this. We've got would appear to have cranberries in them. Yum. Oh my god, they're so sweet and delicious. But that's not what you're here for. No, you want to see the big guns. And I understand. Because I also want to see the big guns. Okay. We have got simply the prettiest little high poinsettia cupcake with buttercream frosting and gold sprinkles for the little flower center things. I don't know. You know how long it's been since I learned what the flower parts of the flowers are called? You learn that in like elementary school. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. All right. Okay. Ooh, they're just as beautiful underneath the wrapper. That's truly magical. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god. Oh, they're so moist and delicious. Oh my god. Mmm. Mmm. There's your bite. Make it a big one. Make it count. Mmm. It's so good. I'm dripping crumbs everywhere. Mmm. God. Am I going to finish this cupcake on camera? Would that really, really happen? Maybe. Mmm. They're so good. I know, it must be a little boring to watch someone just continue finishing a cupcake, but you're here. I'm here. The cupcake is here. Got some on my nosy. Mmm. The sprinkles add a fun little crunch. Mmm. It's so good. I can't believe I'm finishing this. That's not true. I absolutely can't believe I can finish this. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. One last bite for the road. Yum. Well, I've been Suki. Thanks for having a little after Christmas snack with me. I'll see you next time. Bye!